Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. If today is your first time coming across my channel, kindly do me the favor to hit the subscribe button, put on notification bell so that anytime I put out an amazing content like this, you'll be among the first to be notified. In today's strategy, please, I really want you to pay serious attention, because this is one of my best strategy. I love trading when I use mobile. So if you are using mobile phone and you really want to scalp and make good profit, so pay attention more clearly to these strategies and the settings and how you can leverage on it. Always remember that when you are using the mobile strategy, you are scalping the market as a beginner, except for those who are professionals or who have been trading for long and understand the concept of price action. You can decide to hold your trade depending on your analysis. But if you are depending solely on these indicators we are using, then always scalp as a beginner. That means when you make little bulk, you take off, you close your trades. Before I give you the settings, please, if you are watching this video and you have not subscribed, or you are yet to subscribe, kindly subscribe. And if you want to make money trading Forex, crypto, and synthetic indices, please, I urge you to watch out for the millionaire strategy in my channel, where I teach or I explain how you can use a software to track the movement of price and possibly perfect entries and exits. And this software has 99.9 accuracy. I'm not saying robot, but a software. So I've explained details in one or two of my videos on the channel. So if you are going to be interested, check it. And then you can DM me or message me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is in the description of every video, so you check out on my WhatsApp number so that we can relate and then talk, because it is going to be so painful that you are here in this platform and you are still losing money. If you are not making money enough with the mobile strategy, then go for the millionaire strategy, where I guarantee you 99.9% time that you are going to make profit, in as much as you are going to follow the instructions. Now, in today's strategy, we are going to be using just two indicators. The first one is the Ichimoku, and the second one is the relative value indicator. The relative value indicator. So let me show you the settings so that you'll be able to see how to use this setup. When you click on this icon above, either the F icon or whichever one that is on your own chart, once you click on it, it will take you to where the indicators are. Now you click on the main chart. That is the main chart FX icon. When you click on it, it will take you to where the indicators are. So the first indicator there is the relative strength index. So you search for the RSI under trend. That's where you're going to get the relative strength index, and here is it. So when you click on it, here are the parameters. We have period 1000, apply to close, style, 3 pixel, that is the color of your background. If you're using a black background, then change the use the color of that background. Then if you're using white, like I'm using now, you change it to white. Now the reason why we are using the white background is we don't need the RSI line, which is the moving average or whatsoever. All we need is the level. We need the indicators level. That is what we need majorly, and the levels are 90, 10, 85, 15 and 50. 90, 10, 85, 15 and 50. So these are the levels we need. When you put it, then you click on save or done, whichever one that is on your chart. So after that, we are going to add moving average into the Ichimoku. Sorry, into the relative strength index rather. The first moving average I'm going to add is period 10, shift 0, method simple, apply to close. Please let's change this one to black. I would love to change it to black, then make it 4 pixels, then click on save. Then after that, sorry, we are not done yet. After that, we add the Ichimoku, and here's the settings for the Ichimoku. The second sign should be 3, Kojun sign should be 5, while the second span B should be 49. Then you click on the fill, that means you tick it. The Tekun-sen and the Kojun-sen should be your background color, including the Chuko span B and Chikun span should be your background color. But the upper Kumo and the down Kumo probably should be red and black, so that you'll be able to identify areas of bullish move and areas of bearish move. So after that, you click on save. Then this time around, you're going to add indicator window 2, and to do that, you click on the same FX on the main chart, and when you click on it, you screen to the add the commodity channel index, that is the CCI, with a period of 14. Apply to technical price. Style should be 4 pixel or 1 pixel. Sorry, you can use 1 pixel. Background color. Then the level should be as that of the default, minus 100 and plus 100. Then after that, you click on save. Then lastly, you add the relative value index in your CCI. Now this CCI, we can see that all we need is the level, that is the minus 100 and the positive 100, just like what we did on the RSI. So this time around, we need the relative relative value index, and these are the parameters. Period 10, then we have the peg style or style to be 3, that is the RV style, and the signal line should be green and red. Then click on save. So when you do that, your chart will look exactly like this. Now please, this is where you need to pay more attention so that you don't miss it. You really need to pay attention this time around so that you don't miss it at all. So after doing the settings, we want to use the higher time frame. Probably if you are using the 1 hour time frame, then you use your 5 minutes or 1 minute or 15 minutes for entry. So I'm going to show you how you do that. Okay, let's go to 1 hour time frame because this is 4 hour time frame. Now what we want to see in this 1 hour time frame for either buy or sell. Okay, let's take for instance the buy setup. Now for buy setup, we want to see the Ichimoku cloud, which is the red one, and the moving average touching level 15 and 10, which we have here. When we notice these two indicators or two lines at that point, we'll be waiting for a possible change in direction. And this change in direction can be of two can occur due to two reasons. It's either price is trying to make a pullback or probably change the movement totally from a downtrend to uptrend. So whichever one it is, since we are all scalping, definitely we are going to use it that way. So the first thing you need to see is here. We want to see the black line, which is the moving average, then crossing the Ichimoku cloud. Immediately you notice that move, Then you place a vertical line at that point. I've been teaching you this strategy for long, but this time around there's a big difference because you are dealing with trend. Sorry. Just wait. You put a vertical line in the main chart first where the cross occur. So this is it. You don't need anyone in the, so that is where the line crossed, right? Now let's put it on the main chart also. The reason why we are doing this is to get a clear movement and clear entry. Is that clear? We want a clear movement and a clear entry. We want a clear movement and a clear entry. Now immediately you notice that move in your 1 hour time frame, what you do is you go down to your possibly your 15 minutes time frame. Let's go down to 15 minutes time frame. Now in the this story, you see this trader is going down. This is the work of the millionaire strategy signal. This is the millionaire strategy signal. That's where I got this signal from. So if you are doubting it, you can see. You see where my stop loss is. Price didn't even go there. Despite that, I took late entry, and I know price will never go there. So I'm just showing you this. Now let's go back to what we are doing. Now, since in 1 hour time frame, it has indicated that price is trying to move up, and we have highlighted the area where the cross has occurred. So for possible entry that we are not going to lose much, what we are going to do next is we are going to, since we've marked it and we have traced it down to our 15 minutes time frame, so the next thing we are going to be waiting for is a buy move. And how do we get the buy move? This is where the buy move occur. Immediately you notice the level. So when you notice the relative value index has crossed above the minus 100, that means it has crossed above just exactly at this point. Immediately it has crossed above, you open your buy, and you will notice that even in the window 1, you see that we have the green cloud while the red cloud is below it, showing that the red cloud is acting as support while the green cloud is telling you that price is what, up. So this is going to be the point where you open your buy order for crash 1000. So you take your buy, and if we should trace that level there, you will notice that you will make profit and you will not experience loss. Let me put a vertical line because this thing has to do with practical explanation. You have to be practical about it so that you'll be able to get it clearly. So this was the point we were expecting to definitely open our buy. We are going to join everything together, don't worry. Now let me add one. Please practice this thing very well so that so it is immediately it cross above the level minus 100 on the second window. That's when you open your buy. So you exit immediately. The moving average is touching level 95 and 100, but this time, this is 15 minute time frame. You must have hold it for a while, and then you must have made good bulk out of it. That means you must have made better profit. Is that clear, guys? This is for buy opportunity. Remember, I told you the first thing you do is you come to a higher time frame of your choice. So we did it on 1 hour time frame. What we wanted to see is price came down all the way. Price got to this zone. Price got to this zone here and this zone here. So we were waiting for price to cross, and the moving average is the one that's going to tell us. So immediately it crossed at this point, which is here, we track it and we trace it back to 15-minute time frame. So we were able to take a good entry. Now if you want to still use this as your exit, you can use the swing high, which is this point here, as your exit. You put your TP around that point. Is that clear? You put your take profit around that axis, and when price get there, you close it. So this applies to a sell scenario. Now let's quickly check on boom 1000. You can use this on any pair. You can use this on any pair. Is that clear? And please, the zoom level is zoom level 1, so that we don't get it. So let's wait for a scenario where we have a good move. Okay, since this moving average has crossed here at this point, so all you do is the same thing I I explained to you just now. You would mark it out and trace it to a lower time frame, then you leverage on the sell. Is that clear? Because if you follow it, you will have gotten all this move. You will have catch up with all this other move down, where price will not hit your stop loss. So then when you make money, you close it back. Is that clear, guys? So just practice it. If you have any question, use it on any pair, either the currency pair or the boom and crash. Use it on it. It works. And please, if you are yet to subscribe as at this point, kindly subscribe and put on the notification bell. So if you have any question, drop it on the comment section, or if you want to chat with me one-on-one, my WhatsApp number is on the description below. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.